Yo, what is up, everyone? My name is Dom, and we're here to talk about unusual options activity. All right, let's kick it off with the disclaimer. So, this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. I try to get through that as fast as I can because I say it every video, but I take it seriously, but sometimes I do stutter. Okay, so first one I want to bring up today is QCOM. Now, I did do a day trade on this one, and thankfully I did because it tanked towards the end of the day. But this could be a good one to look at tomorrow as well. There was a huge amount of call activity. You can just see in some of these January 2022 calls here. But I was day trading these January 7th calls here. You can see this humongous call volume. 30,000 contracts traded here, 20,000, 14,000 here. They're also coming in and getting some of these January 14th calls here. Now, this is a little bit shorter term of a trade here, so you have to watch out getting into these the next day because, a lot of people were probably day trading them. But there was some call activity in some of these later months as well. February calls, pretty much a lot of different months we're hitting here. You can see it hit a new 52-week high and kind of pulled back here, so it did not hold the breakout here. But you can see on the 1 minute chart here, we're able to get in, ride it up a little bit, and you could make a really nice profit on these short-term options here because a 1% move in the stock, you can have like a 50, 70, sometimes 100% gain depending on what the implied volatility is doing. But as you can see, thank God we day traded it and got out of this trade here because the stock market just tanked towards the end of the day on some of these Fed minutes here. I think a lot of these stocks, maybe not particularly this one, I would definitely be trading this one because it's pretty much at a new 52-week high. I just hit one today. But there's a lot of stocks like CRM, which I'm going to be talking about next. You can see this stock has just been absolutely getting hammered nonstop for the past, 3 weeks or something like that. 311 to 227. I think this stock is getting interesting here. It looks like there's some good support here around this 212 level. I personally am not stepping in and buying the stock in this one. I would not feel comfortable doing that. What I would feel comfortable doing is getting in some of these options here. For these February 18th, 2022 calls, sorry I keep saying 2022, I'm thinking it's 2021. For these February 260 strike calls here, there was a huge amount of call activity, 10,000 contracts traded. There was a lot of these shorter term options here trading as well, 8,000 contracts traded. Once again, you have to be careful with these shorter term ones. A lot of these people could be day trading, so you have to wait till the next day and see what transfers over to the open interest, see how many of these people are actually still holding these calls. But these are a little bit further out here. I do like that they're coming in, buying these way far out of the money calls here. Tells me that they're expecting a big move really soon or by February. So I do like this stock here. I would not go out and buy the stock. I think that's too risky, especially with the Fed minutes. If you guys haven't read about that, I would definitely recommend looking up some news articles and just learning about the Fed, seeing what all the members are saying on the FOMC. So that's just really important here in my opinion. So thanks for everyone who's been subscribing. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe as well so I know to keep making more videos like this. Make sure to check out my Twitter at OptionGuru100. I also post about some trades there. We'll see you in the next one.